It's coming in from Patna. Khan Sir has reached the Patna Civil Court for surrender. Now, heavy security deployment is in place outside Faisal Khan's academy, the Khan GS Center. This comes after two of his security guards were arrested for firing at a mob that pelted stones on the coaching center. Now, Patna police have filed an FIR against Khan Sir, his security guards and unidentified persons for possession of firearms and firing. So this is the latest that we are getting for you from Patna, where Khan Sir is reportedly at the court to surrender. This is the biggest breaking news that we are getting for you. In fact, remember that the Patna police had filed an FIR against Khan Sir, his security personnel and unknown people for the firing incident that actually took place outside the coaching center in Patna as well. And now sources are in fact telling us that Khan Sir has reached the Patna Civil Court. He is likely to surrender before the court. Remember, there are various sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita which have been invoked in this FIR, including the Arms Act over here against Khan Sir, his security personnel and also a few other unidentified people. So this is the latest bit of news coming in. Remember, there was a firing incident that took place after stones were pelted outside the coaching center of Khan Sir in Patna. And now sources are in fact telling us that Khan Sir is at the Patna Civil Court and he is likely to surrender before the civil court in this case. Let me go across to my colleague Rumi Mishra, who joins us for more information on this. Rumi, give us some more details about how Khan Sir's, we are getting to know that through sources that Khan Sir may have actually arrived at the Patna Civil Court to surrender.
Yes, Shivani, well, according to reports, Khan Sir is set to surrender shortly in the Patna Civil Court. He was named in the FIR filed in a firing case right outside his Global Studies coaching center on the night of 3rd of June. According to reports, he has been charged with several serious charges, including attempt to murder and the Arms Act. Meanwhile, Patna police have appealed to students of the center to maintain peace and not be misled. The police have clarified that law and order will not be compromised amid the competition among rival coaching institutes. In the end of Shivani, in fact, it all boils down to the fact that Khan Sir has a rival coaching institute and he has been putting out allegations against his rival and the rival has been doing the same to him. And they're saying that the attacks outside the Khan GS Center on the evening of 3rd of June, in fact, was staged by his rival coaching center, following which the security personnel of the Khan GS Center, who were arrested by the Patna police, later admitted that Khan Sir asked them to shoot at the mob that was pelting stones at the place, and he will be taking care of whatever happens next. So the police has taken that information and filed an FIR against not just Khan Sir but also some accomplices he had. Some people the security guards have mentioned but have not been revealed by the Patna police so far. The police has of course confirmed that there is talk that Khan Sir might surrender in the civil court after seeking legal advice. However, there has been, of course, no official statement from the Khan GS Academy as of yet. Roshan Anand from the rival coaching center, remember, where Shivani also claimed that people who attacked the Khan GS Center were not from his academy, had no affiliations to him, and this was all mere propaganda that was being spread by Khan Sir to, in fact, as a matter of rivalry between the two coaching centers. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Rumi, for all those details. We are now shifting focus to West Bengal. West Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari has congratulated